Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to MachineStation. Today, very special machine, 2014 Doosan DNM-500, fully loaded, equipped with the 12,000 RPM spindle, Thru Spindle Coolant, does have a wireless Renishaw probe system, Cat 40, 30 side mount tool changer, chip conveyor. We have all the original books and manuals, original paint machine, low cutting hours, about 3,500 cutting hours on this machine. We're going to go ahead and do a walk around so you can see the machine inside and out. Of course, we're going to run the machine for you. You're going to run the spindle all the way up. X, Y, and Z travels as well. If I miss anything, please feel free to give me a call. Why don't we go ahead and jump right into this one. $2,500 RPM. $5,000 RPM. $7,500 RPM. $10,000 RPM. There you have it, guys. That was the Doosan DNM-500 If you want to see anything more in-depth, photos, list of the specs, complete specs and features, all that good stuff, please feel free to visit the website, www.machinestation.us, guys, or for pricing or anything else that you want to see, please feel free to give me a call, 909-919-9600. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, you like this machine, please feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and as usual, guys, thank you for watching.